Hello viewers, Vivo has recently launched Vivo X100 and X100 Pro series in Indian market. This is a major upgrade from X90 series. This phone comes with very good build quality as the sides are made of aluminum and there is a solid feeling while holding the phone in your hand. Towards the right there is volume rocker and power button. On the top you will find a secondary noise cancellation mic along with IR blaster. Vivo X100 sports a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The display resolution is very good and it comes with 120Hz of refresh rate, and you can feel the refresh rate. It is very snappy and it is very fluid. The quality of the display is excellent. HDR content from YouTube looks very good on this display. You will have a great multimedia experience as it comes with stereo speakers. So if you are someone who likes to consume a lot of multimedia content, then this display will definitely entertain you while watching videos on Netflix, Amazon or any other OTT platform. Vivo phones are known for their cameras. This device also comes with 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel wide angle sensor and 64 megapixel telephoto lens. The 64 megapixel OIS telephoto camera can zoom up to 100x, though it is digital zoom, but the quality is excellent from this device. At the front you will get 32 megapixel selfie shooter. X100 comes with a camera UI that is very feature rich. Using the telephoto lens you can shoot multifocal portrait photos such as 24mm landscape portrait, 35 street portrait, 50mm classic portrait, 85mm figure portrait and 100mm close-up portrait. Moreover, all the cameras are capable of shooting 4K 60fps videos. You will get these modes in the camera section. Even after zooming, it produces an excellent result. As you can see here, let me give you an idea how the phone can zoom up to 100x. So if you want too much zoomed photos, then you can select X100 for a better zooming capability. The video footage captured from this phone is also excellent. It produces an excellent result, and the dynamic range and also the color and the stabilization is superb on this phone. As you can see here that it has very good stabilization while shooting the video. I have taken some shots. This is taken from Vivo X100 and this is also a shot taken by this phone. As you can see here the quality. This is a video sample taken from the Vivo X100 camera. As you can see here, stabilization seems to be very good here and also it maintains a good color. This is from the telephoto lens. As you can see here, the quality is excellent as I can see here. Talking about the processor, Vivo X100 comes with Dimensity 9300 processor. It is a very powerful and stable processor. Also, it comes with Android 14 along with FunTouch OS 14. If you buy this phone, you will get 3 years of OS update and 4 years of software update. Vivo should have provided at least 4 years of major OS update, because reputed brands like Samsung are provided 4 to 5 years of OS update, and on the other hand Apple is providing 7 years of OS update. However, from this phone you can expect a stable performance as it comes with Android 14, so it is a latest software and also it will get 3 more OS updates, so you are future proof if you buy this phone. Now talking about the selfie camera of this phone, it comes with 32 megapixel selfie shooter. It produces very good quality selfies, and in portrait mode you will get all the necessary modes plus some JICE modes which gives you a better perspective if you take pictures using those filters. I have taken a shot and it comes out very well. Let me give you an idea about the quality of this smartphone. The 32 megapixel selfie shooter will definitely help you to get better selfies, and also group selfies. Though all the three cameras at the back can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, the selfie shooter can only shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. That is a very bad thing. Vivo should have provided 4K 60 fps option in this phone. So that's it for Vivo X100. I think this will be a great buy if you want to buy this smartphone for multimedia consumption, for gaming, and for better photography and videography. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day, and if you have any question regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions. Thank you very much.